What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the big turbo golf GTI and we're about to go ahead and we're gonna do a point of view, a little driving experience of what it's like in this thing. Let's go ahead, let's jump on the freeway, maybe do a pull or two, and then yeah, we'll see where the video goes from there. Gotta take one there. I might even roll the windows up just until we get out of town here. Oh, it's been a few months I've been driving this thing. You guys asked though, like how much horsepower it makes and all these crazy questions. Is it built? What kind of turbo? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna answer some of them that come to the top of my head here. Roads are a little wet, like moist, because of the moisture out in the air right now, because it was snowing and they salted them. I'll roll the window up so you guys can hear me. Quite a bit of drone in the car, only because it is, you know, full straight pipe. It's only got a muffler. Hear the little blow off valve tile there. But yeah, just bear with me, guys. You know, I'm on 215s right now, pizza cutters. This car, I've never really ever had a proper tire setup on it, so traction's been my biggest issue. I'll open it up in third gear and see what happens. We'll probably light them up. This car loves to light it up. Like I said, big traction issue, but it is definitely it's a roll car. All right, we're just about to hop on the highway here now. We're gonna downshift it. All right, roll the window down here for you guys. Hear the brakes squealing. Holy, it's due for some pads and rotors, that's for sure. Not sure if I'll get into it in a second. Like I said, you can see the road, it's wet. See it? There's that lights everybody's talking about on the news channel, that glow from all the greenhouses. This is it. Yeah, we're just on the highway here, freeway. Just driving up. It's got a lot of good lighting here, shit like that. There's no cars really behind me. So this turbo spools up around 3,800 to 4,000, and it's in full boost. So I'm already basically in full boost, but we'll give her a little high end in the tunnel here. Definitely moving there. That was a quick I don't even know what we started at, but we ended at about 100, so give or take, I don't know. It's a lot of speed though, so I said I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying to push her too much here. It is quick. That was just the third or fourth. It's decently quick. I'll watch back the video and I'll see kind of where we started at, but I'm gonna keep her moving here only because I am on the freeway. There's a couple entrance and exits here, and I'm trying to stay out of the radar, you know what I mean? There's cameras all along this highway and it says it's speed enforced. Downshifts. Drops down to 60 here, which is about 30 35 miles an hour. It's terrible. Yeah, man, we'll make a left here. How's a smooth little downshift? I gotta figure out what's going on with the brake pedal. It gets a little stiff when you're after you're done boosting her pretty hard, you know. I'm gonna go over to a parking lot here, you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around of the car. I will admit though, this clutch loves it when it's hot, when it's stupid hot. It's when it like, the shifts are just smooth, right? You got a hot clutch, shifting smooth, no problem, you know. I won't get back on the highway there yet. I'm just gonna go this way, and I don't even know the speed limit here. We're gonna get a bunch of cars on my ass. I think it is 60, but I could be mistaken. We'll just we'll give her a little drive this way. Avoid sudden braking. Yeah, okay, kind of have to, you know, especially when you're boogieing. I don't know the speed limit here. Jesus. Kind of going back the same way I was coming from, but I'm on top of the highway now, so I'm going opposite direction. It is 60 here, so we'll do 70. Oh, put her in 5th gear here. Yeah, it's so different driving this compared to the TDI. Clutch pedal's so light, you know, even though this is a high performance clutch. It's an 18.5 pound flywheel or 19 pound flywheel. I mean, it's not too bad. Coming up to set of lights here. Super smooth car though. It's very fast, man. For what it is super fast. Like, I shit you guys not. Like, I get a lot of messages, you know, I've got this thing up for sale right now. A lot of people DMing, oh, you got any dyno proof? You got any this? You got any that? Man, listen, like, when I tell you it's fast, it's fucking fast. Like, yeah, the clutch is hot now. You can feel it. She's grabbing smooth. Alright guys, if you guys are in the Mark IVs and looking to build a 1.8T big turbo, please avoid doing 1st and 2nd gear pulls. I gotta learn to drive this thing. Pulling up to this parking lot here. Off stadium. That's where I took that one photo of the stadium, you guys. Right here, all the lights are off right now, I guess for the holidays. They got security or some teachers doing some shit, but I'm just pulling in here, gonna pop the hood, show you guys a little walk around of it. I'm gonna park right in this drain here, just so I don't roll. I do not have an e-brake cable. I do not have an e-brake, I should say, so yeah. Yeah, that's good right there. We'll let her run. Hop out, show you guys. I look like a crazy man with a GoPro strapped to my head. That's alright. I'll grab my phone too, actually, just so I can see what I'm looking at here, boys. There she is. That's her right there. Yeah, like I said, man, I put those new headlights in, you know. Oh, fuck, got moisture on that side, eh? Could be just from the cold, I hope so, because I just resealed it. But yeah, new headlights in there. Absolutely amazing. I like them. I like them a lot. You know, a lot of people are asking to buy them. No, I'm not selling them. Give you guys a little walk around here. Big brakes. All the rust's clearing up off of them from sitting. You know, there's the back there. EMS driving by, but yeah, man, that's her right there. She looks good. The back end, those license plate lights are so bright. Well, you guys can see the tail lights there and shit. There she is. There's the engine bay. Get a light on that for you guys. Coolant level's good. Oil's good. Yeah, this PCV is supposed to go in this intake there. Well, yeah, it's supposed to go on there. I don't know why I never put it back on. But yeah, there she is, guys. Whatever, rerouted that there. I don't know, I had it piston so it hits the ground instead of the... Oh yeah, that's why I did that. I didn't want it... There was so much oil, right? There's so much blow-by on this thing. Yeah, there's so much blow-by in this thing. Not that it burns oil, but there's a lot of blow-by. You need a catch can. That's the only thing this car is missing is a catch can. Good, not bad. Yeah, I took this photo right here in this parking lot. Those are the headlights there. I gave you guys a little walk around here. I'll turn the headlights back on just so we can get a little front action. Yeah, she looks good. Let's hop back in there and we'll continue our adventure. Like I said, just a little point of view driving video. Nothing too crazy. Now my feet are wet, my shoes. We going to be slipping. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. Honestly, like I said, this is it. This is the Volkswagen. All right, we're gonna cruise back. Hear little pops. That's fucking sick. Turn the high beams on here for a second, just so I can blind some motherfuckers. Just so I get that light up there. Yeah, we're at a school here, college, where I used to go, so. Shut them off now. Pop it back on the freeway. Faster, probably with fresh gas. Not 100% on that, but probably is. This is a few month old gas. But yeah, it's nice to drive this thing. You can daily this thing, still get awesome fuel mileage. Like I said, absolutely a fucking monster. A monster that looks like a regular ass Golf. Minus the big Porsche brakes and shit, but you guys know how that is. You gotta have that stopping power. Especially when you're going the speed limit and respecting it, you know. Gotta have that stopping power, you know. 60 miles an hour, you gotta be able to stop. You know, 50 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, you gotta be able to stop. Grandma in front of you is hitting the brakes hard, you gotta be able to hit the brakes hard too. You know what I mean? So subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what I should do next. Enjoyed that. A little bit of flames, a little bit of gunshots. That was that 2-step. I seen a flame. I seen a flame. Don't lie. You seen a flame. I seen a flame. At least I seen a flame. That's all that matters. But if you guys seen the flame, comment down below. You guys seen the flame? That was the anti-lag, 2-step, whatever you want to call it, on the big turbo GTI. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Peace.